In this lesson, we'll be talking about equations containing brackets. Equations containing brackets. All the previous examples that we've been doing have not been having brackets, but in this series of questions we'll be looking at, we'll be having brackets in the questions. So now there are things you must know when you want to solve equations that have brackets in them. Now take for instance, you have this question. Let's say you have 4x minus, okay, no, it shouldn't be 4x. Let's say we have let's say you have 4 into bracket y minus 3 is equal to 8. Now if you want to solve this question, what are the steps? What are the things you're supposed to do? So the first thing you will do here is to eliminate the bracket. Now by that I mean you have to expand. If you expand this, the bracket would have been eliminated. So let's eliminate bracket being the first thing. So 4 into 4y, so 4 into y will be 4y, and 4 into minus 3 will be what? Minus 12, and that's equal to 8. You see now the bracket, the bracket has been eliminated. It has been cleared off. So that's the first thing you do. Then the next thing you do is to collect the letters together. But in this case, we just have a term having the letter. Don't worry, in the next example, we'll be having cases where you have letters maybe on the left hand side and on the right hand side. But just know that the next step from here is to collect the letters together on one side and the numbers on the other side. Now, this is where the letter is. This is 4y. Put it on the left hand side, though you can put the letter on the right hand side. Now, take the numbers to the right hand side. So this 8 is still here. I told you before that you don't have to say, okay, add 12 to both sides to eliminate minus 12. You can simply shift this minus 12 to the right hand side or move it to the right hand side, and that becomes what? You tell me? What will that give you? That will give you plus 12, because it's minus 12 here. So when you move it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 12. So you simplify 4y is equal to, what's 8 plus 12? That's what? 20. Now, after you have moved the terms to the letters on one side and the numbers on the other side, then you will solve the equations as usual. Just solve it. In this case, I'm going to divide both sides by what? By 4. So that will be 4y over 4 is equal to 20 over what? Over 4. Now let me ask you, what? 4 cancels 4, y is equal to, what's 4 into 20? That's what? 5. So the value of y here is equal to what? 5. Now quickly, let's test if this is right or wrong. Remember, we got y as what? 5. So put it back into the question. Y is 5, that's 5 minus 3. Let's see if we have it, if we solve this. 4 bracket, what's 5 minus 3? That's what? 2. And 4 times 2 is what? 8. So yes, because we got 8 here too, then this solution is correct. So this is the steps you need to do. First of all, clear off the bracket, and then you move the letters on one side and the numbers to the other side. Is that okay? Then you solve, and then you get the value of the unknown. The steps you need to take when you want to solve equations containing bracket. All right, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.